Michael, and today I'm going to talk about how to germinate your own seeds at home. Here are my seedlings I started about a month ago. Alright, to get started you want to get your seed growing container, a multi-cell pack, a good potting mix, or seed germinating mix, and a cup of water, and a collection of your favorite vegetables that you want to start by seed. Alright, we're here with our seed tray and our 6-cell seed starting pack, and I'm just going to go through with some really good seed starting soil mix and just come in and just sprinkle some in each cell like so. Alright, so that's that, and then we want to get it nice and moist, ready for the seedlings, which will need plenty of moisture. Just go through and just moisten them real good. And then we're going to come back through and pre-make little holes for the seeds to go in. And I typically like to make about 2 holes per cell, 2 to 3. Just read the seed pack. And you also want to make sure you have enough soil mix in each cell. You can go back and add more water. And then follow the seed pack for depth guidance. I'm going to be planting my favorite type of tomatoes, and they say to go to a depth of about 1/4 inch. So we'll follow that recommendation here. Alright, well there you have it. Here's your seed cell ready to go to put your seeds in. So we're here with our seeds, and today we got black plum, which is one of my favorite types of tomatoes, and one of the reasons I really like to grow seeds is because I can grow my favorite varieties, and varieties you can't get at the grocery store, which is just so cool. So we got our seeds here, and we're going to go through and just drop 1 to 2 in each hole. If you drop more, it's okay. You'll just get more tomatoes later. Then don't worry too much. If you think it went too deep, that's okay. Tomatoes are really easy to grow from seed, and that's why I always like to put just a couple extra in. Boom, there you have it. Okay, we just finished sowing our seeds into the soil, and we just want to go back through and make sure that they're covered completely with soil. And these need about 1/4 inch of soil on top. And then, so they look nice and covered here. And then we're going to go back through with the water and just spritz a little bit more on. Make sure they have their nice moist medium in here. You can even use a little spray bottle, which is more precise. And then, so our soil is nice and moist, and next, which is a really crucial step, is you need to cover it with plastic to keep that moisture in. Otherwise the soil will dry out, which is no good because then the seeds won't grow. So there we have it. Nice covered seed container. We'll go put this in the house, and hopefully it starts sprouting in about 7 days. So we have our tomatoes here, and they're teenagers itching to get out of the house. So once they get to be about this big, they just need to come out of their cell because they've outgrown it. So you take it out of the cell, and then you get a 8-ounce cup full of potting soil, and you put it in there, and then you just add some more soil, pat it down nice and good. Then you want to add some more water, and then once it outgrows that, it's going to be ready for the garden. Alright, we're here with our teenage black plum tomato, and it's almost ready to go outside. but first we need to get it used to going outside so it doesn't get shocked. This is a process called hardening off, and you want to start off with an hour a day and then gradually increase it by an hour each day for a week. And then once it's done with that, you'll either put it in the ground nice and deep, you'll have plenty of nutrient-rich soil, or you can put it in a pot, whatever you got at home. Just make sure you have enough potting soil so that it can grow lots of plump, juicy, succulent tomatoes for you. Well, hope you learned something today. I gotta get back to some work here and get to digging. So in the mortal words of Joe Dirt, life's a garden,